Now let's move on to the COVID-19 situation in South Korea. The country reported 451 new cases on Thursday, remaining in the mid-400 range. This comes as the Prime Minister called for a new set of social distancing rules, partially crafted by the public. Choi Jeong-yoon with more.
South Korea reported 451 new COVID-19 cases on Thursday. This puts the country in the mid-400s for 2 straight days after being in the 300s earlier in the week. Of the new cases, 429 were locally transmitted and 22 were from overseas. This brings the nation's total number of cases to just under 80,000. Health authorities are on high alert ahead of the Lunar New Year holiday. Sporadic cluster infections from restaurants and cram schools continue to rise. And the country saw its first case of the UK COVID-19 variant transmitted domestically. Analysis on Monday found 4 patients contracted the UK variant and 1 with the South African variant of the virus. Prime Minister Choi Jeong-yoon called for the government to swiftly investigate people with any slight possibility of contact with the infected patients, stressing the importance of preventing the spread of the more transmissible strains. As the variants were transmitted between relatives and weren't detected at the border, he stressed the need for more efficient measures and the need to ensure there aren't any loopholes in self-isolation procedures for those entering the country. He also asked the government to come up with a new set of social distancing rules. Though the restrictions have been acknowledged as being effective in halting the spread of the virus, there have been complaints that they aren't fair. Certain businesses like cafes and gyms have been hit extremely hard by the restrictions.
If social distancing is inevitable until the herd immunity is produced, it's more about how, rather than why, that will determine citizens' participation in virus prevention measures.
Instead of health authorities notifying the public of restrictions unilaterally, citizens will take part in revising the rules, as they are the direct subject of following them. Choi Jeong-yoon, Arirang News.